So what you can also do is using Gemini, you can generate music. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say generate an upbeat music for me right here, just like this. Give me the musical notes right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it simply gives me the tunes right here that I can actually use as a reference right here, as you can see, just like this. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and then ask Python code for the music right here, so that you can generate it out by using Python code as well. So let's say, for example, what I'm going to do is for these music notes, give me a Python code that I can use to generate the music right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then you can see that I can go ahead and then get the details right here. So you can see that this is what I have right here. And now you can see that for this particular music, I got the Python code right here. So now you can see that if I were to run this Python code, then I will be able to generate out this music. So over here, you can see that this is what we need. We need to import the Music 21 libraries right here, and then notes and instruments right here, just like this, and so forth. So it gives me the guideline as well. So if I were to go around and utilize this particular steps right here and run this code, then I'll get a MIDI music as well. And that is how you can create MIDI notation using Gemini. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.